So what does a mortgage broker do and why do you need one? In this video, I'm going to go through a day in the life of a mortgage broker, what to expect from them and why you need one when you are looking to get a mortgage. My name is Glen, I'm a property investor and a qualified mortgage broker. If it's your first time on the channel, thanks for watching, and if you think it's something that you'll be interested in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now watch to the end of the video because I'm going to go through some of the things that a mortgage broker really should be doing for you if you're going to be looking to use one. Well, some mortgage brokers work off of a panel of lenders, which means they can only access a certain amount. Some mortgage brokers are classed as whole of market, so they have a wider range of lenders and products to be able to access for you. This just gives you more options when you're looking for the best deal. Now, your mortgage is generally the biggest direct debit that you'll ever have coming out of your bank account. So when you go and look for mobile phones or insurance or credit cards, you generally go on comparison websites, but you'll be amazed by how many people do not do the same when it comes to their mortgage. Now, firstly, your mortgage broker should be interested in what's right for you. You should be their primary goal, not the mortgage lender and not the property that you're buying. And a good mortgage broker should be on hand all the time for you, or at least get back to you the same day. Firstly, how much can you borrow? Very important. How much can you afford? What is your monthly budget? What is your current circumstances? And what is your realistic limit for the purchase price that you are looking for? Now, a broker will collate a fact find or a similar document which will take down all of your information. They will use this as a Bible to make sure that they can get you the right product. They use this information and they scour the internet on sourcing systems specifically tailored for mortgage brokers. This then will drill down, based on your criteria, the best deal for you. The mortgage broker will then use their professional expertise to make sure that the product that comes up top or close is right for you. They will then give a recommendation to you and ensure your full understanding in basic terms to make sure that you're happy with what you're going into. If they don't do that, then you should be asking questions. If you're not sure what questions to ask, then just comment below. Now, some mortgage brokers charge a fee and some don't. Don't always go for the cheaper option, because sometimes cheaper options you really struggle with service. So that can mean when you really need to ask a question, they don't call back, they don't email back, or they just don't get back to you at all. On the flip side, don't always pay over the odds. It doesn't mean you're going to get a better service. So just do your research and make sure you have a look at brokers close to you and online, and give them a call and make sure that you feel mostly happy with them and that you can work with them moving forward. So that's the initial stage. When you speak to a mortgage broker, they do a fact find, they collate your information, and they make sure that they have all of your best interests at heart. That's the first point. Then you need something called a mortgage in principle, so you can go and start actively searching for them properties. Complete the journey, watch episode 2, send us a like, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.